Morning! Hello from Mumbai. I have got a great day planned. Obviously, full of food. Surprise, surprise. And I'm gonna take you along. So, I've just woken up. I'm gonna get ready, have some chai, and head out to see a friend who is gonna cook something for me. So let's go. So I am all ready for the day, and my cousin where I'm staying is having a little ceremony in the house, a little puja. So I'm just gonna say hello to everyone, and I am gonna go see my friend, and let's see what they are having for their breakfast, and I might have a little bit of that. It is gud pongal, that is shira, like a halwa, and that is a mixed prasad which I've never seen before. It has got 8 different things for Ganpati Puja. I can see coconut, poha, etc. etc. And Nimisha is looking lovely today. Right, there is sambar, chutney, and idli, fresh. So I'm gonna start my day with some idli, sambar, and chutney. And we are here. I am gonna see a friend, and I'm gonna cook something with him for the YouTube channel. So I can't really show you what I'm cooking. So stay tuned for his episode. So we have been filming with Saransh, and while we were filming, these crispy piping hot samosas have just arrived. Oh my god.
It is exceptional. And they have this white aloo inside. So I think this is a perfect samosa for me.
So you change your statement. You have changed your statement that now your Delhi samosas are not good because you said that this is the best for me. You said one.
Delhi samosas are not very good.
No, samosa chole in Delhi is better.
Now don't change it.
So I finished the shoot with Saransh, and I can't wait to share that recipe with you guys. And I'm so full, and I didn't really want to eat so much because I've got to go to my cousin's for lunch. But I've had breakfast, I've had lunch already. Those samosas were incredible. Yeah, I'm really feeling full and sleepy. But right now I'm stuck in Mumbai traffic, and let me take you to lunch. Okay, I'm home, and our friends have arrived. Hello! Sorry I'm late. The kitties are eating. Serving them on the pattal banana. I'm gonna wash my hands and sit down to eat as well. The kitchen situation is that it's got lots and lots of food. I don't know exactly what is what, but I will definitely find out for you guys. Have to break it.
So what happens is this one like that.
So cleaning. Nimisha, what is this?
Sweet pachadi, tomato sweet.
Oh, so this is pachadi, which is like a cucumber raita, and this is tomato pachadi. Sweet.
Avial.
Avial.
All vegetables contains that is called avial.
All vegetables. And lots of coconut.
Chow chow.
Chow chow.
Suran and chow chow ka two is a mix.
Chow chow. अच्छा मैंने first time life में सुना chow chow. And this is the lentil vada.
This is potato. Aloo sabji.
Potato sabji.
Potato.
Oh, so it is tradition.
आजकल का ट्रेडिशन. This is mixed veg. इसको भी पोरियल बोलते हैं.
अच्छा, तो ये avial और ये
ये
पोरियल.
अवियल पोरियल कोटू.
Kotu.
हाँ.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
This is Mysore pak.
This is
Okay.
cashew.
And then this is rice. Good and ginger. Lemon pickle. And here comes the rice.
हाँ. चल.
Thank you. So he's gonna mix the ghee. Okay, yes please. Okay.
Sambar.
Sambar. Oh my god, this is amazing. Plain naan.
Plain dal is very important. You have to
Sit at one, please, Ananda, please.
plain dal. Don't wait.
Have it on a plate.
पूजा आ रही है मैडम रसम आपको लेट हो गया 2:50 हो गया.
So everybody's gone and there are some sweets. So these are chikki, which are made with sesame seeds, peanut. It's like brittle, and then there's a box of sweets. And I'm kind of can't decide what I want to eat. I think I'm gonna go for mithai. So after a very heavy morning and lunch, I had those delicious sweets. They were just melt in your mouth, and one of my cousin's friends got it for her. And now it's time for dinner again. Seriously, I'm telling you. I've got company. So we have got the leftovers from our lunch because it was so good, and I asked Nimi if he can keep some for our dinner as well. So we've got all the stuff from lunchtime, including the chutneys. So I'm gonna sit down and dig in. I've eaten, I finished my food, and this is paisa, which is like a South Indian rice feed, but they make it differently. And there is more sweets from the prasad, laddu, fresh milk, and Mysore pak, a mix of north, south, west. No, east, sorry. No, west. East. And that, my friends, is a wrap. It has been an incredible day. I had such a good time cooking with my friend, Wesley coming soon, and spending time with my cousin with all the delicious food. I've had 4 times the food I usually eat in a day. I'm really feeling it now. But I want to live in the moment. I just want to make the most of my visit here. So I'm not complaining. And that's a wrap for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I look half asleep. So I'm going to say bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back soon. Bye.